What is up, YouTube, frag lovers everywhere out there on YouTube? I already said that. Welcome to my channel, Stephen Sturgeon. I'll be your host for the next couple of minutes. Next several, probably. Today, guys, I want to take a look at the House of English Laundry. And curiously enough, the House of Windsor. Decant Windsor. Now, this frag is not currently available or listed on Fragrantica. I don't know why that is. It's not listed. Maybe it's because they have some kind of deal going, or they don't want to hype the House of English Laundry because it competes too favorably with the likes of, I don't know, Parfums de Marly, Dior in some cases, as in Eau Sauvage, and for the house, for example, of Gucci, on and on, etc., etc., etc. This is a lovely fragrance. There are notes of tobacco, grapefruit, tonka beans, cinnamon, cardamom, a variety of woodsy, sort of fougere, oriental type notes. And this really is extraordinarily lovely. Just on the skin, it just wafts. The sillage is excellent. What a lovely fragrance. Now, I would say on the negatives, it's not quite as authentic. It's not quite as pungent or rich as Parfums de Marly, but it's very similar in the type of levels that they hold. I do find that it's a very similar type, almost niche-y type fragrance. If not quite as natural, organic, or rich as Parfums de Marly, but at this price point, really, who bloody cares? It's incredible. It's incredible that something could smell this fantastic, this good, at this price point. Honestly, who cares? I say get your nose on a decant or a sample of Windsor, House of Windsor. Excellent fragrance. And I'm going to leave it there at that. I'll let you be the judge. It's excellent. It's woodsy. It's got some oriental, some spice. Not much freshy going on here, but again, this is a manly scent. It's rich. It's dynamic. It's layered. It tells a story. It's fantastic. It's bloody fantastic. So get your nose on this, guys. Spray often, spray well, and live life on your terms, not someone else's. Please. For the love of God, life's too short or too long, depending how you like to look at it. And I will see you next time. If you like, please subscribe and hit the bell for future updates.